watch that tree. Out. Yeah. That's smarted. My GPS came off.
Huh?
My GPS came off.
No, it's still lit.
Wow, look at all the bugs on there.
On what? Oh, just ants. You bought about your skid plate. That's what flipped you.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, I took a second thought about that one.
Yeah, I should have made it though. I just, well, them threw me off and I didn't quite get turned around. But, let's get this beast up.
Ready?
Yeah. Huh? You have your camera on?
Oh yeah. That was a good one. That's the best wreck I've got on video of you ever.
Yeah, that was pretty sweet.
Okay, now what?
Well, we either go
I can go around. I'm
that
not
way.
going over that big fucking thing.
Well, if you cut it on this side, you'll be okay. You don't want to do what I did though. Unless you want to try. What happened is, this right here is what caught me. Come on this side. I could break that branch.
I'm gonna go around the end of it.
Just go around the end. I'll meet you over there. Uh-oh. Did I break something on my helmet?
No.
'Cause
Oh yeah, you broke the middle piece of your visor off.
great.
Yep. Go on. Oh wait, you know what? I wonder if I can. No. You broke the whole thing.
Okay. As long as it comes down a certain way, that's all I care about.
But it's gonna come up in the wind.
We'll see how it goes.